Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to invite your account in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And from here, all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions, provide all information, and you are all set. Now, inviting your accountant to QuickBooks Online can offer several benefits and streamline your financial management processes, because once you invite your accountant here, it will allow you to have a seamless collaboration on your financial data. They can simply access the same information you see, making it easier to work together on tasks such as reconciling accounts, preparing financial reports, and resolving any discrepancies. And obviously, by giving your accountant access to QuickBooks Online, they can review your financial data in real time. This enables them to provide timely advice and insights into your business's financial health, allowing for more informed decision making. Now, for you to be able to invite your accountant here in QuickBooks Online, just hover down to the left side panel where it says My Accountant. And from here, all you're going to do is provide your accountant's email address. Right? And all you're going to do is click on Invite. And your accountant and members of the firms will have admin access to your company. They will receive an email that they are being given an access, right? Direct access to your financial data in QuickBooks Online. There's a less chance of errors or discrepancies arising from transferring information between different systems or formats. Now, if you don't have an accountant yet, you might want to click on the Find a Pro to help. Click on this option right here in the very bottom. Now, once you click the Find a Pro to help, what will happen is you can build a stronger business with a QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor. All right, accounting professionals can assist you with your bookkeeping, taxes, payroll, and more. There's a lot that you can do. And from here, all you're going to do is provide a city or zip. Maybe, for example, I'm going to be going here at New York City and click on the Find a Pro Advisor. When you click on it, remember, inviting your accountant to QuickBooks Online can improve collaboration, streamline financial management, and processes, because once you've found an accounting professional here on your country, region, or location, all you're going to do is just click on the Offers a Free Consultation option. Click on it. And from here, these are the services that the specific QuickBooks Advisor can offer. All right, you can click a message and whatnot and just add it. If once you are done dealing with a contract or negotiation with the specific accountant, all they're gonna do is click them a message and give them access to your account, because as you can see, it's essential to communicate with their accountant and ensure they're comfortable with using QuickBooks Online and have the necessary permissions and access levels to perform their tasks effectively. Because QuickBooks Online employs a robust security measures to protect your financial data, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular backups. And by inviting your accountant to access your data through QuickBooks Online, you can ensure that the sensitive information remains secure. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.